This is Allison Cordova with lawblaw.com, and today we're debunking the Texas abortion law. Let's start with what the law did. Nowhere in the law does it say a woman can't have an abortion. Nowhere. Instead, it puts a bounty on the head of any doctor who gives an abortion after 6 weeks, and it's a minimum $10,000 per abortion. With the threat of endless lawsuits, abortion clinics closed. But technically, abortions are still legal, so doctors can perform them. It just doesn't make any business sense to do so unless the patient is rich and can pay more than the bounty. So what did the law actually do? It artificially inflated the cost of giving abortions in Texas, blocking access to poor and middle-class women. How'd Texas do it? The government cannot deputize people to do something it can't do itself, and it can't sue doctors for giving lawful abortions. So Texas created a loophole. The law says a bounty hunter gets to sue on behalf of the woman who had the abortion. Without her consent, the state just gave away a woman's right to sue. This is unheard of. Why'd the Supreme Court let it happen? Typically with a law that looks unconstitutional, the court will issue an injunction, which is an order telling government officials they can't enforce the law until the court has been briefed, heard argument, and had time to issue a sound opinion on the constitutionality of the law. But the Texas law is unique. Private citizens enforce the law, not government officials. This left the court asking, who do we order not to enforce the law? Can we issue an injunction against all private citizens? After 2 days of consideration, 5 justices decided no. But their decision was not based on well-established or settled law, because again, the Texas abortion law is unique. The court has not seen something like this before. So at the end of the day, the court allowed a law to go into effect that stripped women of their constitutional rights, and it did so on the fly without clear legal authority to back it up. It's up. And that's the Texas law debunked.